Namaste, my name is Naimisha Vikas. I'm 8 years old. I'm from Bangalore. I'm in the sub-junior category of Shloka recitation. Today, I would like to recite Ganesha Pancharatna Stotram. Mudakarattamodakam sada Muktisadakam Kaladharavattamsakam Vilasilokarakshakam Anayakaikanayakam Vinashite Bhadaityakam Nadashubhashunashakam Namamitam Vinayakam Natetarati Bhikaram Navoditarka Bhaswaram Namatsurari Nitcharam Natadhikapaduttaram Sureshwaram Nidheshwaram Gajeshwaram Ganeshwaram Maheshwaram Tamashaye Paratparam Nirantaram Samastalokashankaram Nirastapritya Kunjaram Dharedharo Varam Varam Varebamatramaksharam Kripakaram Chamakaram Mudakaram Yashaskaram Manaskaram Namaskritan Namaskaromi Bhaskaram Akinchanaartimajanam Chirantamurti Bhajanam Purari Purvanandanam Surari Garbacharkanam Prapanchanashabhishanam Dhananjayadibhushanam Kapoladhanavaranam Bhaje Puranamaranam Nidantakantadantakanti Antakantakatmajam Achintya Rupamantahina Mantaraya Kantanam Hridantare Nirantaram Vasantameva Yoginam Tamekadantamevatam Vichintayami Santatam Mahaganesha Pancharatna Madarena Yunmaham Prajilpati Prabhataki Hridesmaram Ganeshwaram Arogatam Adoshatam Susahitim Suputratam Samahitayurashtakuti Mabhyupaiti Suchirat Jaya Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Pahima Jaya Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Rakshamam Jaya Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Pahimam Jaya Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Rakshamam. Thank you.